Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. Ready to ditch your smartphone and start taking real photos? Today we're counting down the top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2026. Whether you've never touched a camera before or you're upgrading from an old point-and-shoot, choosing your first real camera can be overwhelming. That's why we've tested everything to find the cameras that combine ease of use with room to grow. From ultra-budget DSLRs to feature-packed mirrorless cameras, we've got options for every skill level and budget. These cameras will help you learn photography fundamentals while delivering stunning images. Let's jump in and find your perfect first camera.
At number 5, we have the Nikon D3500. If you've literally never used a camera before and want the easiest learning experience possible, this is your answer. The Nikon D3500 is the best digital camera for absolute beginners, thanks to its unique interactive guide mode. This isn't just a manual you read, it's built right into the mode dial and walks you through the camera's features in simplified, easy-to-understand terms. As you're shooting, the guide mode teaches you photography fundamentals like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO in a hands-on way. You learn by doing, which is far more effective than reading a manual. This makes the learning curve much gentler for people intimidated by photography. Beyond the guide mode, this is a simple, straightforward camera without overwhelming features. The controls are intuitive and the menu system is easy to navigate. Despite its simplicity, the D3500 has an excellent high-resolution sensor that punches well above its class. Image quality is genuinely impressive for such a basic camera. You can capture beautiful photos right from the start. One major advantage over mirrorless cameras is battery life. DSLRs like this last much longer on a single charge compared to mirrorless alternatives, which is great when you're learning and shooting all day. Nikon's F-mount lens ecosystem is also extensive and well-established. There are tons of high-quality lens options available, and many are quite affordable for beginners. When you're ready to upgrade from the kit lens, you have plenty of choices. The main limitations are the lack of modern features. There's no 4K video recording, no in-body stabilization, no tilting screen, and no advanced autofocus tracking like newer cameras. However, the D3500 has been discontinued, so you'll likely need to buy a used model. Finding one new is difficult. But if you can find a used D3500 in good condition, or even older iterations like the Nikon D3400 or D3300, these are excellent cost-effective options to dip your toe into serious photography. Overall, the Nikon D3500's guide mode and simple design make it the absolute best choice for people who've never used a camera and want a gentle introduction to photography. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Next up is the Canon EOS Rebel T7, also known as the 2000D. If you want something truly cheap and prefer to avoid buying used gear, this is your option. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is the most affordable DSLR Canon offers and the best camera for beginners on a very tight budget. The price is the real draw here. This gets you into interchangeable lens photography for minimal investment. However, you need to set realistic expectations. This is a very back-to-basics camera with few bells and whistles. You won't find a tilting screen, 4K video recording, or any advanced features. It's a straightforward DSLR from 2018 with simple functionality. So why are we recommending this ultra-basic camera? Because if this is the only camera on this list that you can afford, then it's absolutely worth it if it gets you out there shooting. Photography is about taking photos, and this camera lets you do that. While it lacks features like in-body stabilization or advanced subject detection, it does have a high-resolution APS-C sensor that captures beautiful photos. Image quality is genuinely good when you learn to use it properly. One of the strongest arguments for this camera is Canon's well-established EF and EFS lens ecosystem. There are tons of affordable lenses available on the used market. Many of Canon's DSLR lenses are quite affordable for beginners and budget shooters, making it easy and inexpensive to upgrade whenever you outgrow the kit lens. The battery life is excellent, as DSLRs generally outlast mirrorless cameras significantly. The optical viewfinder gives you a clear, lag-free view of your subject. The main downsides are obvious: outdated technology, no 4K video, basic autofocus, and limited features. But again, if budget is your absolute constraint, this gets you started in photography. For someone on an extremely tight budget who wants to learn photography fundamentals without spending much, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a legitimate option that can produce beautiful images in the right hands. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Keeping it going with the Canon EOS R50. Moving into modern mirrorless territory, this is the best budget camera for photography beginners. The Canon EOS R50 combines affordability with current technology in a highly portable package. The body is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. This is perfect for beginners who want a camera that doesn't feel like a burden to carry. Like the Canon EOS R10, it features simple patrols and an intelligent auto mode that makes it a great fit for anyone upgrading from their smartphone. The camera thinks for you in auto mode, making smart decisions so you can focus on composition. The autofocus system is quite reliable, with a range of subject detection modes. Whether you're photographing people, animals, or vehicles, the camera can automatically detect and track your subject to keep them in focus. This is hugely helpful for beginners who struggle with manual focus. Beyond photography, it's a solid choice for video and vlogging. It includes 4K recording at up to 30 FPS and surprisingly advanced video specs for the price. The flip-out screen is perfect for vlogging and selfie-style shooting. However, battery life for video isn't the longest. You'll want spare batteries if you plan to shoot a lot of video. The image quality from the APS-C sensor is excellent for the price, capturing detailed photos with good color reproduction. If you want something even more portable for travel, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is worth considering. The R50 is cheaper and has more effective autofocus, but the Olympus is part of the Micro Four Thirds system, which offers more compact lenses for a more portable overall kit. The Olympus is also one of the very few budget cameras to feature in-body image stabilization for steadier handheld shooting. The Canon EOS R50 is perfect for beginners on a budget who want a modern mirrorless camera with good autofocus, 4K video, and compact portability. It's an excellent step up from smartphone photography. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
The runner-up is the Nikon Z50. If you prioritize build quality and ergonomics in your first camera, this is the one to get. The Nikon Z50 is the only model on this list that's weather-sealed, providing added peace of mind when shooting outdoors in light rain or dusty conditions. For a starter camera, it feels remarkably well-built and solid in hand. Nikon cameras are renowned for their excellent ergonomics, and the Z50 continues that tradition. The controls are well-placed and intuitive, with a large, comfortable hand grip that makes the camera feel secure. Even if you have larger hands, this feels great to hold. The tilting screen can flip down for selfies and self-portraits, which is handy for vlogging or checking your framing when the camera's on a tripod. The electronic viewfinder is large and high resolution, giving you a clear view of your subjects. While the Z50 doesn't have the highest resolution sensor among its peers at 20.9 megapixels, it still delivers excellent image quality. Low light performance is particularly good, letting you shoot in dimmer conditions without excessive noise. For action photography, the Z50 performs well thanks to a quick burst rate of 11 FPS and a decent autofocus system. While the autofocus isn't quite as effective as the Canon EOS R10, it's still reliable for most beginner shooting scenarios. One limitation to be aware of is that lens support for Nikon's mirrorless Z mount is still relatively limited, especially for APS-C options. The system is newer, so there aren't as many affordable lens choices yet. If you want more lens selection right now, the similarly priced Sony Alpha 6400 has tons of native and third-party lens options and feels well constructed. However, its ergonomics and user interface aren't as beginner-friendly as the Nikon. For beginners who value build quality, weather sealing, and excellent ergonomics, the Nikon Z50 is an outstanding choice that feels more premium than its price suggests. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
And the best one is the Canon EOS R10. This is the best camera for beginners overall, and it absolutely deserves the top spot. While it's the priciest camera on our list, the Canon EOS R10 delivers the most well-rounded experience for beginners who want room to grow. This is a fantastic camera for both photography and light video work, with a balanced feature set that makes it suitable for beginners while offering enough capability for more advanced users. Like most of Canon's entry-level offerings, it has a lightweight feel that doesn't fatigue you during long shooting sessions. The ergonomics are excellent, with well-placed controls that feel natural. The interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly, which is crucial when you're learning. Canon's menu system is among the easiest to navigate. The camera is well-suited to a wide range of photography styles. The high-resolution 24-megapixel sensor captures detailed images with excellent dynamic range. Burst shooting is quick at 15 FPS mechanical or 23 FPS electronic, making it capable of capturing fast action like sports or wildlife. One of the absolute standout features is the autofocus system. This is genuinely one of the best AF systems you'll find among entry-level cameras. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus with subject detection reliably tracks people, animals, and vehicles. For beginners, this means more keepers and fewer missed shots. For video, it includes 4K recording with solid specs and good autofocus tracking. The vari-angle screen is perfect for vlogging or shooting from different angles. The biggest downside is that Canon's RF lens lineup is still relatively new. Lens options are somewhat limited, especially for APS-C RFS mount lenses. There aren't as many affordable third-party options yet. If you want a camera with a more established lens ecosystem, the Fujifilm X-S10 is another fantastic entry-level camera. It's one of the few cameras in its price range to feature in-body image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake when shooting handheld. However, its autofocus isn't nearly as reliable as the Canon's, and it's been discontinued, so finding one new is difficult. The Canon EOS R10 is perfect for beginners who want the best overall camera with room to grow. The combination of excellent autofocus, versatile shooting capabilities, intuitive interface, and quality construction makes it the best investment for someone serious about learning photography and video. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Thanks for watching. That's our top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2026. From ultra-budget DSLRs with guide mode to modern mirrorless cameras with advanced autofocus, there's a perfect first camera for every beginner and budget. The most important thing is to get out there and start shooting. The best camera is the one you'll actually use. If this video helped you choose your first camera, hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews. Drop a comment below with what you want to photograph or any questions you have. All product links with the latest pricing are in the description. Thanks again for watching, and welcome to the wonderful world of photography.